Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Eddie J Smith here. Happy New Year, you guys. Happy 2021. I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas and a wonderful New Year celebration. I know it was different this year, not being able to get together with family as would have loved to, but this is a new year. We're hoping that things improve and we can all get together and see each other and hug. So yeah, today we're going to be doing a fun look, of course using awesome marykay products. I want to say welcome to all my new subscribers. I'm so excited and super grateful to those of you who hit that subscribe button and join our little family here. So thank you for joining, and thank you to all my MK sisters for your continued support. So yeah, let's get right into it. So now let's go on with our time wise. So guys, I'm going to be using the new marykay mini blending sponge. Okay, they came out with this for the holiday. This was part of the holiday collection. They were limited edition, but they're super cute. You get 4 sponges in here. So I've wet this one and it's gotten a little bigger so you can see the difference. So this is like an egg shape and this one has a flat bottom, which is great to really get under the eye. So anyway, I'm going to be using this one because I already wet it. So next I'm going to be using Marykay Perfected Concealer, and the shade I use is light bronze. So let's just highlight. This is super soft. I really like it. So next I'm going to contour using our At Play contouring stick, and the shade I use is the Get Sculpted 2. Now we're going to set our concealer. Now because we're going to be doing our eyes next, I'm going to like bake just so that this stays in place longer. All right, so now I'm going to go over all the places I apply the cream contour with the powder contour by Marykay. And the shade I'm using is Cocoa. All right, so while that's all baking, I'm going to start with the eyes, and I'm going to apply my Perfected Concealer and use that as my primer. I love our Marykay Perfected Concealer, and I've also talked about, how you can use this to achieve a more fuller coverage is by kind of putting it on and just giving it a few seconds, to just kind of sit there a little bit. Because if you just put it on and you blend it immediately, then it just kind of shares it out. But if you let it sit for like a little bit, not too long because this does dry down fast, but just a few seconds extra, you know what I mean? It will give you a much more fuller coverage, and I love that. So today I'm going to be playing with the Marykay mini essential brush set. Again, this was part of the holiday collection and I haven't got a chance to play with it, so we're going to be using it today, and it's super cute, super cute. You get 3 brushes in here: an eye blender brush, eyeshadow brush, and an eye detail brush. I'm going to start with the eyeshadow brush and just use that to kind of blend my concealer. I don't want to blend it too lightly because, again, I want it to be a little bit opaque. All right, so the first shade I'm going to start with is Merlot. Really beautiful color. And I'm just going to pat that into my crease. All right, guys, so next I'm going to be using Sweet Plum. Okay, I'm just going to pick that up with a flat brush and kind of concentrate it on the outer part and just work my way in. Okay guys, so next I'm gonna go in with rose gold, and we're gonna put that in a corner here and give our eyes some pop. All right, so I'm gonna use eye blender brush, and I'm just going to kind of blend the edges, all right? And, you know, diffuse it a little bit so it's not as sharp. Okay, and I'm just doing that in small circle motion. I tapped into Merlot just a tiny bit. Not too much, because I didn't want to make it dark. I just want to kind of have some color on the brush to use and blend that. So take your time blending, just small circle motions. Okay. Okay, so now I'm just going back into the sweet plum, and I'm just kind of intensifying it. All right, so now I'm gonna pick up the eye detail brush, all right? And I'm gonna just spray that with our finishing spray. And I'm gonna go into the copper and pyrite, okay? Pyrite, however you call it. And I'm gonna pick up the gold shade. I'm obsessed with this color. It's a really beautiful gold shimmer. And I'm going to use that to line my eyes. So I'm just gonna tilt my head back. I'm going to see if that shows up like I want it to. Okay, it's showing up. Do you guys see it? It's there. I'm getting a bit of fallout, so good thing I have powder to catch that. All right, you guys, I hope you can see what I did. I really try to finesse the foil eyeshadow, the gold shade. Scrape a little bit off and mix it with my setting spray, and then use the eye detail brush, okay, because it's like a nice little pencil. And I just kind of lined, you know, gently taking my time, gave myself like a nice gold liner there. And I also went into my crease and I just kind of lined it gently. I can't really do it as well as I would because it does have like sparkles or glitters in it, so it's not as defined as I would like, but you know, you get the idea. I'm just going to use whatever sweet plum is left on my brush, and I'm just going to use that right here. Next, I'm going to highlight, you guys, and I'm really loving this at Play highlighter stick in Rose Gold Glow. For my cheeks, I'm going to apply Wine Berry. So I'm going to be using red stiletto. I feel like I haven't worn this in a while. Okie doke. All right, so let's just set our face. All right, you guys, that is our final look. We are done with this makeup tutorial, our New Year makeup tutorial. I hope you guys love this look. My goodness. Yeah, I think it's gorgeous, you know, even though it's been a crazy year. Like I said, we haven't really been able to go out and do much, but it doesn't mean we can't get glammed up. Even if we're just going to our couch, like, it doesn't mean we can't look beautiful. All right, you know, when you put on some makeup, you look beautiful. It helps you to feel much better, you know, because this is a crazy time. I think we've all definitely been feeling the emotions. So, you know, definitely, you know, play with makeup, get glammed up, do your skincare, put on some red lipstick and feel empowered. Okay, so that is it, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to my channel, and please share. All right, share with your loved ones, share with your friends, share with your makeup lovers out there. Every like, every share supports my channel, so I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching today, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.